Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with my favorite glosses. Right now it's super cold here in Canada and I cannot do liquid lipstick. Like matte liquid lipsticks is a definitely no for me right now. My lips are super dry and chapped and it's not comfortable and it doesn't look cute when you have all of these fine lines going on your lips and your lips are chapped and you're putting on a matte liquid lipstick. I mean, it's not my kind of thing. It might be yours, but definitely not mine. So I am super obsessed with glosses. I love a good gloss that's non-sticking, it's long wearing, and it just looks so good and feels amazing. So I'm going to share with you guys a couple of different formulas that I absolutely am obsessed with and I use on a regular basis. Some of them are new and some of them are really old, but they're still pretty amazing. So if you guys want to know what glosses I love, then definitely stay tuned for this video. So you guys know that before I start my videos from now on, I give you guys a little bit of word of encouragement. It's just a way of me like connecting with you guys on a deeper level and kind of knowing my mindset. So today I want to talk about self-doubt, and that's something that especially women, we do a lot. We doubt ourselves. We doubt our ability to accomplish things. We doubt our own strength. And as women, you need to know that you are stronger than you could ever imagine. Okay, we can conquer so much. We multitask, we love, we work, we take care of the household. We are just incredible, honestly. As women, we hold it down. So instead of doubting yourself, I'm encouraging every single one of you guys to know your own strength, get to know yourself a little bit better. So I'm going to start off with a formula that is pretty new and every single body talks about it. I mean, your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your aunt, your niece. So I am talking about Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is their gloss bombs. She first originally came out with a universal shade that just blew up. Everybody loved it and it went on so many different skin tones. And then these are the two latest shades. We have Diamond Milk and Fussy, and I actually loved all three shades. I don't know where the original one went. It's probably somewhere in one of my purses, but I love her formula because they give you this like really juicy wet look on the lips. Like her glosses are like true glosses, like they will give you that beautiful wet sheen, and the color selection is really pretty. They're definitely different from one another, all three of them, which I can appreciate, but they go on every single skin tone. Like even Diamond Milk, that looks pretty intimidating, it looks like it's going to be way too white. It is definitely not. It's going to go on more like a sheer formula where it has like these very fine micro specks of glitter, and that's what gives it that wet kind of look. Love her formula. The only con, okay, don't kill me. The only con that I can say on these glosses is that less is more. If you put too much of this gloss, I feel like it just looks just too wet. Like your lips just look too wet, like they're like you're about to drool on yourself. That's the only way I could describe it. So I definitely, clean off the wand and then go on with that gloss, and I'm perfectly fine throughout the day. They last really well on the lips and they just look so beautiful. Really comfortable formula. It's not sticky or tacky whatsoever. These go on beautifully on top of any lipstick also because of that sheer formula. It's not like full color payoff. I love these so much. They're so beautiful. Love the packaging, very unique to the brand, and yeah, amazing glosses. These are oldie but still pretty amazing. I know that these were blowing up a couple of years back on YouTube, and these are from Buxom. These are their, I don't know what kind of glosses they're called, but these are their glosses and they are pretty amazing. These have a really beautiful soft sheer formula. They don't give you that super wet look, but definitely a gloss in itself. Very comfortable on the lips, very soothing. They have like this pepperminty scent and feel to your lips. They're supposed to be plumping, but honestly I don't think they plump up the lips at all. I use these all the times and I just get these like cooling, tingling sensation, and then it kind of goes away. But my lips do not look bigger or anything like that. But they are just beautiful, beautiful formula, very comfortable on the lips. Not as wet as the Fenty, but still really nice. And these also layer beautifully on top of nude lipsticks, and they have a ton of shades to select from, like from really dark to really light ones. The two shades that I absolutely love and wear all the time is White Russian and Dolly. Dolly is definitely more on the pink tone side. White Russian is that pale nude that goes beautifully on top of a nude lipstick. So I love this formula. If you love like a nice cooling sensation on the lips, nice and lightweight, very airy, definitely check these out. Next formula that I'm going to talk about is fairly new. They came out with this formula last year and the collection really went viral. Everybody absolutely loved it. And this is from Bite Beauty. This is their French pressed lip glosses. Yeah, lip glosses, and I love the formula of these glosses. They definitely have a little bit more color payoff than the previous ones that I talked about, so they go on beautifully without any lipstick or any lip liner. Love the formula, really comfortable on the lips, nice and creamy on the lips, a little bit thicker than the Buxom for sure because of that color payoff. And I love the shade selection that they have within this collection, and this smells like coffee. So if you are a coffee lover, you're going to love the scent of these. Now the scent doesn't pretty much linger throughout the day. It's first when you apply it, you smell it for a couple of minutes, and then it kind of drifts off. But it's just a beautiful scent. It's not too overpowering. I'm not like crazy about coffee, but like the smell doesn't bother me or anything like that. And the shades, like I was saying, were really beautiful. They're all like tailored towards hot drinks like lattes and mochas and coffee. So love the uniqueness of this collection. My two favorite shades are Salted Caramel and Dirty Chai. Like, I love these. Dirty Chai I use all the time on its own, just on the go, no makeup, I'm good to go. And then Salted Caramel, I love to pair this up with nude lipsticks or even on its own, but I almost always wear a little bit of a lip liner underneath it because I feel like it washes me out slightly if I don't. But both really beautiful shades. But like I said, there's a ton of shades to select from. There's a really deep vampy shade in there. If you're a deeper complexion, it looks gorgeous. And yeah, love the formula of these guys. The drugstore lip gloss that I actually have to talk about, which is a little bit sad. So if you guys know any glosses from the drugstore that are amazing, comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely check it out. But these are the butter glosses from NYX Cosmetics. It's no surprise, everybody loves these glosses. They were so popular back in the days, and I think it's just a really great formula for the price point. It is amazing. Like, these are super duper affordable but very lightweight formula on the lips. The color is, it's not super sheer, but it's not super intense. So it's right there in between where you do get a little bit of a color payoff, but not super deep. You can layer these on top of lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and they go on beautifully. They're just a comfortable, affordable gloss. Really creamy. They glide on really nicely. And yeah, love it. And they have so, like, tons and tons of shade to select from. So I'm sure you will find something there for you. The shade that I really love is called Maybelline. I love the shade. It's super pretty. It's just like a almost pinky beige nude, I want to say, and it's just really flattering. It's very soft. It's very like an everyday appropriate color. So love the NYX butter glosses. The next formula that I have to talk about is more of a luxe brand. It's a little bit more pricey, but I love their products so much, guys. Don't kill me. These are from Marc Jacobs, and these are their glosses. I love the Marc Jacobs glosses. They are so beautiful. The formula is really airy and very light on the lips, comfortable to wear all day long. They pair beautifully with lip liners, with lipstick, with liquid lipsticks, or on their own. They're just really nice, comfortable glosses. They give you that wet sheen, but not overly done. Thin formula that's super comfortable to wear, like I said. So the two shades that I have here are my go-to shades. I have a couple of different shades, but these are definitely the ones that I gravitate towards. The first one that I'm going to talk about is very unique. I actually haven't found like a dupe or something really similar to this. It's really different. This one is called Love Buzz, and it's this like almost pearlescent shade. Really gorgeous. gorgeous on the lips. So definitely check this one out in particular. Out of all of them that I've talked about, this is definitely one of my favorites because it's so unique. And then I have the shade Pretty Things, and I wear this a lot on top of nude lipsticks. I get so many compliments when I wear Pretty Things. It's just a really soft, like beigey tone with a bit of pink nude in there. Really, really love the formula. I love the wand, how it's nice and flexible. You get a ton of product in here. Packaging, absolutely gorgeous. Marc Jacobs never fails when it comes to their packaging. So yeah, I love the glosses. And these are from Bare Mineral. These are the Gen Nude glosses, and they are stunning. And within this collection, there is a nude for all skin tones, and that's kind of how they marketed it. It's a nude series, and they are beautiful. There's so many variations of nude. It goes really deep, and then it goes really light. There's pink tones in there. There's like mauve tones in there. Gorgeous, gorgeous selection. Now, these are a lot more thicker than the ones that I mentioned. Definitely a lot more color payoff, so you can wear these on its own for sure. But I love the formula, and they are just gorgeous on the lips. They're not sticky or tacky, so they wear really nicely, really comfortably, and they are pretty long lasting in my opinion. I love so many of the shades within the collection, but these three are my favorite, and I wear them all of the time. The shade Hype, the shade Bay, and the shade IRL. I don't even know what that means. If you do, leave me a comment down below because I have no idea. I'm not hip with it, okay? I just love these glosses. I love the formula and the colors. It's a beautiful formula. It's like, you know, sometimes when you have that formula where it's super pigmented, so it becomes too tacky and too thick on the lips and it just gunks up everywhere. These don't do it, but you still have the intensity of the color, and that's why I love these guys. The next product that I'm going to talk about is fairly new. These were just released, I believe, this week, and they are from Bobbi Brown. These are called the Crushed Liquid Lip, and I am already obsessed with them. I got the entire collection, and there are beautiful shades to select from. Really fall and winter appropriate for sure, but definitely you can wear it all year round. There's some reds in there, there's mauve tones, there's nudes and pinks and browns, so many colors to select from. But I really like the formula. They're like a gloss and a balm mixed in one. Very hydrating on the lips, really comfortable to wear throughout the day. I don't feel like they gunk up or anything like that. They have a very light, airy formula, so really easy to apply. This one is definitely more on the pigmented side, but not thick. The formula is thinner, but definitely still pretty pigmented. I really like it. It's pretty unique because it has that hydrating aspect to it. So you're going to get the almost like lip care that you need throughout the day while having some color on the lips. So really like this. And the three shades that kind of caught my eye was Juicy Date was the one that I swatched, and then there's also Haute Cocoa. It's a little bit deeper, and this one is more mauve toned. It's called Smoothie Movie. So love these three shades. I'm going to link all of the products down in the description box for you guys to check it out. I have two items that I kind of want to touch up on, and they are more like lip care, and I think they are so good, especially for the winter time. If you suffer from very dry lips, you're going to love these products if you haven't tried them out yet. So the first one is Laneige, and this is their lip sleeping mask. Amazing lip conditioner. I don't use this as a lip mask. I use it throughout the day, and it instantly, when I say instantly, right on the spot, it hydrates the lips. It makes it look and feel 10 times better, and you just feel that sensation that your lips are being repaired. Amazing product. You get so much product. Like, this is a huge jar for lips, and because the formula is more on the thicker side, less is more. You need the tiniest amount all over the lips and you are good to go. So definitely worth it. I know it's a little bit pricier for like a lip conditioner, lip balm type of thing, but it is so much product that this is going to last you like months pretty much, and it's really is a product that works. Like, it will soothe your lips, it will hydrate them, it will repair them. So definitely recommended for me. And then the next product that I have is from Fresh, and this is their Sugar Lip Treatment Perfecting Wand. Love this stuff. This is almost like a gloss and a balm in one. It hydrates the lips, but it also gives you like that wet glossy look. Really comfortable. I love the fact that the applicator has this like It's this wand that has a texture to it, and it kind of exfoliates your lips at the same time when you apply the product. It's just a little bit more unique, and I haven't seen anything like it. Really, really love this. And there's another product that I'm gonna give a mention. I don't have any of it right now because I ran out of it, and it is the Fresh Lip Treatment. I believe the original one in the white cap. Maybe I'll insert a picture for you guys to check out. That is another product that you will instantly feel hydration on the lips when you apply it. It comes in a bullet form, and I think it comes in a pot form, and it's just so good. That one and the Laneige one are hand in hand. You will instantly feel your lips being repaired. The cracked areas and all of that stuff will start to feel really hydrated and moisturized. So definitely check those products out. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new and cool today. Don't forget to leave your comments down below letting me know what are your favorite drugstore glosses, because I want to check out some more affordable options. So leave your comments down below. Also leave me your video requests so that I know what to upload, what you guys really want to watch. Give it a big thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoyed this video, and it also helps me reach out other people, okay? And subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next video. Ciao!